Hey, what's up? It's Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, sharing the Bible. That's business inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. It is Thursday, the day after Christmas, so it's December 26th, the 26th day of Vlogmas. And I just hope you all, if you celebrate Christmas, that you had an enjoyable time, that all is well with you and your loved ones, your family, and all of that. And I must say that I had a really great day. It wasn't about Christmas, and I talked about the fact that I don't celebrate in the traditional way of doing Christmas anymore. I'm not wrapped up in the consumerism of Christmas, but I must say that I had a really great day. And the reason I had a really great day is because I had what was most important, which was, for me, a healthy, happy household. Everything is not perfect, and everything will never be perfect in anyone's life, in spite of how people try to make it that way. But I must say that I just was thinking about some things, and the fact that we didn't leave the house to go anywhere. We didn't feel like we needed to do certain things because it's Christmas and people are expecting certain things, and even for each other, not having to feel the pressure of buying gifts for each other and things like that. When you have come to a place where you've really gone through things in life, and you get to a point of victory in your life, stuff isn't important. It never really was, but because we have lived in a world, especially in the United States, where it is a capitalist society, and it's, all pretty much based on consumerism and stuff, that has caused a lot of people to feel like they have to, what is it? They have to be involved in all of the things that the nation says you have to be involved in. And even when you have little children, they used to have the rush to buy the hot toy for the year, and all of those different things like that. And if you can start your children out young, letting them know that stuff isn't really important, which is one of the things I'm grateful that I pride myself on. I never did that with our son. I didn't talk to him about Santa Claus, and I actually told him Santa Claus was a fictional character. I didn't say it in those words, but I said, Santa's a cartoon. It's not a real thing. If you get gifts, it's because your mom and dad work hard, and we decided to buy things for you. And so he never was every year with this Christmas list of things that he wanted us to get for him. Now, I'm not saying he never wanted anything, and there weren't times that we didn't get him something that he said he wanted, but there was never any pressure on us to do that stuff. But because my year has been so turbulent, and I've gone through so much with my husband, with his health and all those things like that, and where he is now on his health journey, physical and mental health journey, I'm so grateful that all I really wanted was just peace. And I can say that yesterday, not just yesterday, but I'm just going to speak about yesterday. Yesterday, I had peace in my home with my loved one, and that is all I could ever ask for. I didn't need a new upgrade on my wedding ring. I didn't need any jewelry. I didn't need any stuff. I didn't even think about those things. And I'm definitely believing that people who are so superficial, that all they think about is stuff, and even wealthy or rich, I won't even say wealthy, but rich people, where you see celebrities, and you may follow some celebrities on social media, on Instagram, and you see them opening up boxes of Louis and Gucci and Fendi and whatever else. I'm not into all that stuff, but I'm just saying, a lot of those people are so empty They're so empty inside. They really don't have anything. They have everything, so to speak, but they really don't have anything. And most importantly, if you don't have God, you don't have nothing. And a lot of them may proclaim that they believe in God, but a lot of them really don't. Because if they lost the stuff, they would pretty much lose it. That is their God. For a lot of those people, that is their God. There is nothing wrong with wanting to achieve accomplishments and do greater and better in your life, and I encourage it. I'm actually working and striving towards things for my personal life and business as well. But ultimately, what's most important is my peace. The joy of the Lord is my strength. That's what it's supposed to be, not the joy of getting stuff being your strength. But for a lot of people, that is really what gets them going. And I am grateful for what I have now. There are things that I'm working towards that I desire to see happen in my life, but I'm not so pressed to see those things happen where I'm unhappy where I am now. And there are a lot of people who are rich in finances and stuff, but they don't have mental health. They don't have physical health. And if you don't have those things, you really have nothing. You really have nothing. So I'm grateful that I had a really great day, just having peace in my home. My husband is doing so much better, one day at a time. And I'm just grateful that I'm blocking out anything that's not really important to my life, to my mental health. If it doesn't bring me joy, if it doesn't allow me to have peace, I'm not involving myself in it. I'm good. And I hope you all are too. So I really hope that you all had an amazing Christmas holiday. I hope you have a great day today. I just want to do a quick vlog since I'm trying to finish out this Vlogmas, since I haven't really been able to stay on top of it like I had planned to. But that's life. And again, I have peace, so I'm not allowing things like that to stress me out, where there was a point in time that if I didn't keep on top of things that I had planned, I would get so bent out of shape and whacked out where I couldn't really function. I don't care, because it's not really that important. So I hope you all have an amazingly blessed and beautiful day. I am Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, sharing the Bible. That's business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. If you're new, thank you so much for being here. You can check out my websites. The links are in the description box below. So until the next time, I hope you all enjoy the rest of this day.